new chapter in safety. Active Brake Assist 5. Active Brake Assist 5 is an enhancement of the proven Active Brake Assist 4 and the world's first emergency braking system in transport traffic that can react with automated emergency braking within system limits to the risk of a collision with moving pedestrians. For almost 20 years now, our experience has been incorporated in the development and testing of safety systems with radar technology. For the first time, Active Brake Assist 5 uses a sensor fusion of radar and high-performance camera. To this end, the vehicle's own data are used from the start of the journey, and the traffic situation in front of the vehicle is monitored to record the distances to vehicles ahead and moving pedestrians, as well as their speeds and positions. If there's a risk of collision, the system is able to initiate automated emergency braking within system limits, not only for stationary and moving obstacles, but also for moving pedestrians. If Active Brake Assist 5 detects a risk of collision ahead of the vehicle with moving pedestrians crossing the road, approaching the vehicle, or in the vehicle's lane, a two-stage warning and braking concept is initiated. First of all, the system gives a visual and audible warning and initiates partial braking. If the driver doesn't react, Active Brake Assist 5 triggers automated emergency braking and activates the hazard warning lights. Pedestrian detection remains active in a speed range of up to a maximum of 50 km/h within the system's limits. The system also reacts to moving and stationary vehicles at speeds of over 80 km/h. In this way, Active Brake Assist 5 can assist the driver in critical situations within the system's limits and prevent or reduce the severity of accidents. Active Brake Assist 5. Better overview enhances safety and saves fuel. The new Mirror Cam. The new Mirror Cam is another innovation from Mercedes-Benz trucks and replaces the conventional outside mirrors. After coupling to a new trailer, the driver simply turns on the ignition and, when the orientation point appears, uses it to set a manually adjustable yellow distance line, marking the end of the trailer. When cornering, the camera automatically follows the field of vision, ensuring that the end of the trailer constantly stays in the picture. Tracking the trailer, especially on sharp bends, helps enhance safety for the vehicle and its surroundings. The displays measure 15 inches and divide the views up in a similar way to conventional mirrors. When reverse gear is engaged, both displays automatically switch to maneuvering view. The larger wide-angle area and the division of views ensure that even in situations where maneuvering is tricky, particularly during hard turns, the driver is able to keep everything in sight, allowing precision docking at the loading bay. As soon as the truck starts to move forwards at more than 10 km/h, the mirror cam switches back to normal mode. All-round vision, particularly the view out through the side windows, is substantially improved compared with conventional mirrors, especially when negotiating roundabouts. On the motorway, the 4 yellow distance lines make it easier to gauge the traffic behind, both in terms of distance and speed. The omission of the outside mirrors improves the truck's aerodynamics and looks, reducing fuel consumption by up to 1.3% and minimizing dirt caused by the weather. The distance lines and symbols are always displayed exactly where the driver would intuitively expect. So, for example, color is used to highlight the filter areas when the indicator is activated, ensuring an optimal distance is maintained when filtering into traffic. Even in poor light conditions, in rain or at dusk, for example, the driver still enjoys an improved view. The screen brightness automatically adapts to the prevailing light conditions, but it can be adjusted manually too. The mirror cam has also a monitoring function. There's a special switch for this on the door panel, and another can be fitted above the head end of the lower bed as an option. Pressing the switch activates the mirror cam for 2 minutes, allowing the driver to check the area around the vehicle. The curtains can remain closed while this is going on, helping ensure you have everything under control at all times. The new mirror cam.
The Lane Return Assist, LRA, assists the driver to stay in the lane and actively prevents the vehicle from changing lanes unintentionally or drifting out of lane. The system is based on the Lane Guard System, LGS. Similar to the LGS, it receives the necessary information from a video camera behind the windscreen. The right and left lane markings are recorded here. If there is a threat of the vehicle leaving the given lane without the turn indicator having been actuated, the Lane Return Assist steers it back into the lane by means of a corrective steering torque. This steering torque is generated by MAN Comfort Steering and can be overridden by the driver at any time. Lane Return Assist steers the vehicle back to where it is again traveling straight ahead, but does not keep it continuously in the lane. The driver must always keep his hands on the steering wheel as he has to continuously monitor the system. Once the digital image analysis detects both lane markings from a speed of 60 km per hour, the system is active. The system can also be used at night. If a stationary vehicle is detected on the hard shoulder, the system tolerates driving offset to the inside of the lane. The vehicle is returned to the normal lane only after the stationary vehicle has been passed. This system intelligence in particular contributes to the driver's sense of safety. The most serious accident scenarios caused by a vehicle deviating from its lane can be actively prevented with a lane return assist. Vehicles equipped with the system benefit from a significant increase in transport safety and reliability.